And it goes to contestant number. Any guesses from the audience? Presenting you the first runner-up of Miss KYF 2026. And it goes to contestant number 12. 1, 2, contestant number 12. Can we have a big round of applause for contestant number 12? Executive member, Gabriel Anglo, Autonomous Council. The first runner-up of Miss KYF 2026 will walk away with a check of rupees 13,000. And on behalf of Sahitin Ihi, Executive Member of the Autonomous Council, I would like to request Samir Jacob, judge of this evening, to the first runner-up of Miss KYF 2026. Once again, can we have a big round of applause to people? All the points of the
So slick, ice cold stare, but they heat real quick. Mirror, mirror on the wall, we the baddest of them all.
Personally, this Amor Falcon Festival sa Melali, kasi palong doon na ba yung kilo? Ang siguro ko na sa independent country, sa Melali country, ang lang ito sa big pinabati, na sa metrek, fashion industry, lapin, summer drop, ang lang ritual, jaya ba nag-informi ako ito? On the top 6, we'll move to the final round. And in this round, we are going to have the Q&A round. And for that, may I invite Miss Julie Pipi to come forward for the Match is proudly presented by the Caribbean Cultural Society in collaboration with Japan. Executive Richard Deputy Level Manager. KYF 2026. At this point in time, Sales Spring Fellowship with a shake. Come on, once again, can we have a big round of applause? A bouquet, a memento, and a drink of rupees 20,000. The second runner-up of this KYF 2026 will walk away with a drink of rupees 20,000. Thank you so much, sir. Lord of Policy, the Minister, the President. Thank you. And now it's time to announce the first runners-up of the Miss KYF 2026. And it goes to contestant number... Contestant number... And you can say from the audience. Presenting you the first runners-up of Miss KYF 2026. And it goes to contestant number 12. 1, 2, contestant number 12. Can we have a big round of applause for contestant number 12? Congratulations to you, contestant number 12, as you are the first runners-up of Miss KYF 2026. Also, in the meantime, we would also like to invite the first runners-up of Miss KYF 2025 to kindly bring the crown and present it to the first runners-up of the Miss KYF 2026. On the policy, the Premier General President of Mexico, allowing it to make an attack so the Indian first runners-up, kasi pala po na bang kilo, na sila na lang lihim kasi pinag-asingkan kahit po na bang hilpan from Badger Balipo. To the first runners-up of the Miss KYF 2026. And the first runners-up is sponsored by Sarvitis English Executive Member, Caribbean and Global Autonomous Council. The first runners-up of Miss KYF 2026 will walk away with a check of rupees 30,000. And on behalf of Sahitya Singhi, Executive Member of the Fitness Council, I would like to request Samir Jaipur, judge of this evening, to the first winner in KYF 2026. Executive Member of the Fitness Council. Once again, on behalf of the round of applause to people, all the points of the city of the people select, educative honor that Sarani Pepsi at Sheikh Suri from Sheikh Admasami Bukti Kajur Polo, British Siki, Atihai, EM, AEC, Ahimasa Masolong A Sponsor Sporting Club. Thank you so much. Thank you. And now it's time to announce the winner of this KYF 2026. So audience, any guesses?
Number two.
Sorry, I can't hear you. Louder!
Two!
Louder!